Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing unboxing of vacuum. So here is a vacuum that I got on Black Friday on Best Buy. It was 50% off. It says Shark Rocket Pet. And it includes these things. And it has 5 years limited warranty. So it says powerful deep cleaning, but I didn't actually, when I was purchasing it, I didn't notice it's more like pet, for pet, I don't know. So let's open it. So that's what it has inside. So it comes with many smaller parts that has to be put together. Maybe not many, but few. Here is the thing. Instructions. Oh, but it has everything. So here is the first part. How to do this unboxing? Never did such unboxing of big item like this. Maybe I will do like this. So first part is the head, or how to call it. It slides down this thing. So it looks like this. Says rocket. Here it says brush indicator. Here it has wheels. Bottom looks like this. Here you can unlock it and then remove a brush, or you can clean this brush with some scissors. It has here this thing. It's really similar to my old one. And here it looks like this. But another part is, here is some suction thing. Here is another part, which is this kind. Oh, cool. It has some small brush kind of thing that you can in here. So it will, maybe it's dust. Nice. Dust. And what does it has? Here is another thing, which is this kind. I don't know for what exactly, but it also has here some brush kind of thing, small one, very short. Then, so that's 3 things. Actually, this might be to attach this, something like Swiffer thing, like wider, little bit, and you can attach here, I think, and you can then wash floors too. Wet wash with vacuum. I think it's attaching this Swiffer part. Swiffer, like looking, I'm not sure if it's Swiffer alone, but wider thing. Then it has this pipe, which is main pipe, like so. Let's see. And then this. has this thing which is on top with cord. Let's take it out. So this is how it looks. Here is the dust thingy for dust. Here is for pipe that will be connected. And here are two things. You can two like modules, and here is clean filter monthly. Here is bare floor and area rugs. Here's high pile carpets. So I will connect it together. So maybe I should put you on. So we should connect. This probably goes here. Right or left? Yes, it clicked. That's easy. And this should go probably here. Like here. Don't do it on the floor. Okay, it's connected. Very easy. And this way it's like this one. How to make it stand? You see, it's like when I want to stand it, it will fall. Because it says storage hook and it should be hooked by this part. You should have some storage hook and it's hooked over. Not by standing alone. So if you want that it stand alone, it will not. So I will turn it on and see how it works on some room carpet. That's weird because then I have to unhook the cones. Okay. So yeah, I will show you later the difference. So here is this vacuum. I had plugged it in. Let's see. It's indeed lightweight. The only thing it's a little annoying is that it's high. That for me it's even high too. For the pipe is high. See this one. But oh well. But maybe it's just thing to get used to it. And yeah, so how to turn it on? Here. And where's brush bar? Okay. This is how it will go. little bit. Yeah. Of recording, at least to some extent.